What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. So I'm talking about this application called AppZone, as you can see on your screen. It's another application that you can download right now, 100% free on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And you just, install applications and let the app run. You do not have to play the game, but let the app run for about as many minutes as you can. And it's another way to look at it. Let's just go through the settings real quick so you can get the rundown. All right, so invite friends and you can earn up to 60,000 points instantly. Just invite friends, get 60,000 points. Get them to your link, get them your code. They get downloaded through the link in the app and everybody get points. Okay, so the next tab is redeem gifts. All right, so right now I got 30,000. I really just start using this app, so, I'm a real small ball right now. But I'm at 30,000 points, and I can't get anything right now. The smallest amount is 150,000 points. Now, that might seem like that's a lot, but you have to play this every day. You have to use this app every day. You can unlock iTunes money. You can unlock Google Play money. You can unlock $5 from CVS Pharmacy, Steam. If you're using Steam, get $10 gift card for Best Buy. You can get free pizza. You can get some movie tickets, gift card from Fandango. Xbox, $15. Facebook, if you into Facebook games and other stuff. So you all get a lot of gift cards, for the money. All right, for the points. Let's see, your gifts. I probably don't have any. Of course, it says earn credits, telling me to earn more credits. And then you got your history, your notifications, your support, your privacy and shield. So you want to share the application. You can share, you can copy and paste your whole link. You can share it through Facebook, Twitter, and email, and more. And more, basically, it's going to show you all the applications you can share it through and whatnot. So that's how that works. And it says your credits will appear within 24 hours. All right. So it really depends on when a person signs up, sets it up, download the app, and start using it. Now you have all these other applications. Once again, you do not have to play with the apps. You just install them and let them run. Install them and just let your phone or tablet sit there, and boom. That's really it. Now, active, you want to go to the active tab. This is what I've done today, okay? I've done all these, earned all these points today, okay? So this is how it works. Each time, it's going to tell you a time limit, how much usage of the application you need to, get the points. And then every time they'll see a notification, hey, you made, a certain amount, and boom, boom, pow. All right, and then after that, if you made enough, you can, like I said, you can go redeem any gift card that they have available. Now, this is not the fastest way, but it is another way. And let me step out of here real quick, and I want to show you guys something. Once again, it's by AppLike. It's not by AppLike, but I can earn points for using AppZone in AppLike. All right, so as you see, I'm at level 27 with 6,000. I cashed out last week, so I cashed out already. But I can earn points just by using the AppLike application. So probably by the end of the video, I'm gonna earn some points from AppLike and AppZone. So these are some great findings. Once again, I'll leave my link in the description box. Let's get this free stuff, man. Let's go ahead and get these apps, get rolling, and get this free stuff. So go ahead and set it up, and leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.